Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. I just want to make a super quick video, and if you're playing Heroic Assault, if you got any friends playing Heroic Assault, make sure you tell them about this before you guys actually start, getting deep into the actual levels. With this update, they added, level 40 plus weapon blueprints, suit blueprints, mods, all that stuff. So before you start going really deep inside the Heroic Assault, make sure that you actually craft the blueprints that you want to use, because at a certain point you're going to start picking up higher level blueprints and they're going to actually toss away all of your old blueprints. So luckily for me, on my Red Hood, I had every one of his legendary blueprints at level 40 already crafted. But if you don't have those blueprints crafted already, you're actually going to lose access to those blueprints until you pick them up again at a higher level. So if you got any type of build in mind, if you want to actually use these weapons, because I'm still using them right now, I'm at like level 18 or 19, they're still good. And if they're not crafted beforehand, you're going to be stuck using epics and rares. So make sure before you dive deep into this mode, craft the blueprints that you want to use. Eventually you will pick up the higher level version, but you don't want to be just standing there with nothing to use. So this is a super L on these guys' part, but I will say that it does seem to be easier to get these blueprints. I have been collecting a whole bunch, and you do get these legendary drops from the chest inside of Heroic Assault. So make sure you're picking up these chests, and I'm not entirely sure if you can actually farm these chests. So maybe you can go back and just farm these, open them up over and over. I haven't tested out yet, so I'm not sure, but at least in your first initial playthrough, make sure that you are picking up the chests, especially if you're level 15 plus. I feel like these blueprints should not be getting deleted. I know this was already a system in the game, but at this point in the game, this is absolutely an L. So be careful, spread the word for anybody else who's actually playing the game that and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.